Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says multiply. We have 2x squared plus 3.5 times x squared minus 8x plus 7. All right, so when we're multiplying polynomials, we want to remember that we're going to take our first term and distribute it to all of the terms in the second set of parentheses. So in this case, we're going to take the 2x squared and we're going to multiply it by the x squared. Then we're going to take that same 2x squared and multiply it by the 8x. Then we're going to take that same 2x squared and multiply it by the 7. So let's see what that looks like. It looks like 2x to the fourth, because the exponents just get added, minus 16x to the third. This single x is the same thing as having an exponent of 1. So the 1x from this one and the 2x from this one. So the 1 from this x and the 2 from the original 2x squared x add up to be 3. So you need to make sure your exponent changes correctly. Now I'm going to add that to 14x squared, because 2 times 7 is 14, and then the x squared just gets written down. Now I'm going to take the second term in my first set of parentheses and multiply it to all of the numbers in the second set of parentheses. So we have 3.5 times x squared, 3.5 times the 8x, and the 3.5 times the 7. So when we do that, we get 3.5x squared minus 28x plus 24.5. Now I'm going to combine like terms. In order to do that, I'm going to look at all of my exponents and group the numbers based off of having the same exponent. Well, the first thing I can see is I have a 2x to the fourth, which can't be grouped because it's the only exponent with the fourth. So that's fine. What I like to do is cross off my term once I've already used it, because it's easy to sort of miss something or use something twice if you don't keep track as you go. Next, I'm going to take my negative 16x to the third, and I'm just going to rewrite that one as well, because again, I have no more x's that have an exponent of 3. Now I'm going to take my two x's to the second power, and I will be able to combine those because they have the same variable and exponent. So 14 plus 3.5 is 17.5, and then the x squared is just rewritten. And again, like I said, I cross off as I go because I don't want to confuse myself. Now I only have this 28x, which can't be combined with anything, so I'm crossing that out. And then I'm going to just rewrite my constant, which is the 24.5. Now this number is simplified as much as I can possibly simplify it, because nothing else can be grouped. So as far as following the direction of multiplying it, I've done that as much as I can right now. So 2x to the fourth minus 16x to the third plus 17.5x squared minus 28x plus 24.5 is the answer to today's math problem of the day. Guys, if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out, and I would love to have you come back for more. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com, click on math videos, where you can get access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.